Okay, guys. So basically, I'm gonna say, you know what I mean, I see what happened to Buju, you know what I mean, with those cargo plane and all sort of stuff. And I've been watching a lot of video on YouTube and the situation with Buju, and people are saying it is plane, and people are saying it is ship. I understand. But the only thing I didn't understand in the whole concept of what's going on with Buju and this thing in Jamaica. Really appreciate it that in sending a cargo with some stuff inside of it. But when I see people that put all cooker in a barrel and all them thing there, that's them thing that I don't understand what's going on right there. So that's like a red flag. You understand? But anyway, if anyone did take out anything out of the barrel, trust me, you know what I mean, that would be a big disrespect. They shouldn't have done that. And but they need to fix up this and clarify this thing before people put things on social media and all that sort of stuff. And probably sometime we are say things and it didn't go that way. You get what I mean? So it's a big thing right now on the social media with Buju. But I think what Buju should have done, if you're doing something big like that, sending a one cargo, a plane of things, you need to contact somebody who big in Jamaica, like, you know what I mean, some big official to say, listen, I'm going to be sending down a cargo plane with a lot of things, and we want to see that everything has come clear and everything. Because in Jamaica, they have to check everything, no matter what happens. You understand? Because that's the system. You can't do this anywhere in the world. You have to check everything while I go through the airport. Trust me. Because even Buju fly I go to England, I go anywhere in the US, or anywhere else in the world. You have to check everything. That's the rules and regulation, and then immigration gonna dig up your things them and look into it and scan things. So let's see how this thing play out, man. I'm excited to see what's going on because, you know what I mean, if you know it, not really say excited, but I love to see what's going on because, you know what I mean, this is the rules and regulation. You understand? Immigration, I get the opportunity before to work at custom, and I see how they dig up things. I know them go through your things and wrong stop it and all them things, they're checking for things. So, I don't know. Let's see, guys. Leave your comments. Like, share, and subscribe. My name is Chef Ricardo. We don't know the thing go. I always try my best to support my own people. We love you guys. Big up Jamaican people. And I hope everything work out the best for the beautiful people in Jamaica, man. I love my country to the bottom of my heart. Celebrate! That's Jamaica, man. I love Jamaica. I good vibes.